Dear friends, today's video lesson is based on different uses of present simple tense. Subscribe my channel. To express a habitual action is one that someone usually does or has, especially one that is considered to be typical or characteristic of them. He drinks tea every morning. I get up every day at 5 o'clock. My watch keeps good time. All these sentences to describe habit shows the action are repeated even from the past and will go up to the next future. And we are talking at this present time. To express general truth is a condition which exists a majority of time for most subjects. The sun rises in the east. Honey is sweet. Fortune favors the brave. It is also called sentences for universal truth. In exclamatory sentences beginning with here and there to express what is actually taking place in the present. An exclamatory sentence is one that expresses sudden or strong emotions and feelings. It begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamatory mark. Here comes the bus, there she goes. All these sentences are used to show exclamation in different situations. In vivid narrative as substitute for simple past. Narrative means the description of events in a strong or the process of a skill of telling a story. Both these sentences are used to tell the story. Story might be real or fake. First sentence is Sohrab now rushes forward and deals a heavy blow to Rustam. Second is immediately the king hurries to his capital. To express a future event that is a part of a fixed timetable or fixed program. Future event is an event happening in the future but is scheduled to happen and you cannot do anything to change it. You will use present simple tense to describe it. The next flight is at 7 tomorrow morning. The match starts at 9 o'clock. The train leaves at 5:20. When does the coffee house reopen? All the four sentences tells about the future incident or event. It is used to introduce quotation. Quotation means a phrase from a book, speech, play, etc. that somebody repeats because it is interesting or useful. It is also known as sentences of direct speech. It is also used in clauses of time and condition. In conditional clauses with words like if, unless, even if, we often use present form to talk about the future. I shall wait till you finish your lunch. If it rains, we shall get to it. Both these sentences are sentences of clause of condition or time. As in broadcast commentaries on a sporting event, the simple present is used instead of the present continuous to describe activities in progress where there is stress on the succession of happenings rather than on the duration. Sports broadcasters and other live reports use the present simple to commentate on events in real time to save time and create drama. For example, Ronnie passes to Jim, he shoots, he scores, the ball hits the net and loses the point. Now watch the video and enjoy the football and cricket match.
Like an arrow into the bullseye of the top corner. In by Kulusevski. Kane! That is extraordinary! But as he falls in love with the object in the world that his heart most desired, it is hard to escape the supposition that he has rendered himself today the greatest of all time. Taylor, what's he say? It's a really good ball. It's Shabalala! Goal! Bafana, Bafana! Goal for South Africa! Goal for all Africa! Messi. Oh. Messi!
Are you kidding me? This man is absolutely mainline to pure football. together than we are living in. Astonishing, jaw-dropping genius from Lionel.
Knockout takes, Almunia saves, knockout follows in, Almunia saves again. Absolutely astonishing. Now here come Watford. Forestieri. Here's Hogg. Deeney! Do not scratch your eyes. You are really seeing the most extraordinary finish here.
A few words exchanged between Yuvraj and Flintoff.
I wouldn't bother you, Vraj, if I was you.
That's huge. That is a biggie. It's out of here.
Verbs of perception, appearing, emotion, thinking, and some use of have are normally used in present simple form. Verb of perception is a verb that conveys the experience of one of the physical senses. For example, see, watch, look, hear, listen, feel, taste, etc. Now watch short video for some verbs of emotions.
तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान
Oh, I love you, Dad. I hate you.
Tastes good. What is it?
그렇게 맛있어?
Yeah, I like it.